Hey guys, Tom from Kendirect, and in this video I will show you how you can add terms and conditions checkbox to your Shopify store. Depending on where are your customers, you may be legally required to make them accept the terms and conditions before they finish the order. And on Shopify, it may be a bit difficult because you cannot get the explicit consent inside the checkout unless you are on Shopify Plus. So a lot of merchants are adding these checkboxes to the cart page or to drawer cart. And in this video, I will show you how you can do it easily using the Kendirect app. Kendirect is upsell and cross-sell app for Shopify, and one of its features is the slide cart. And recently we have added this beautiful terms and condition checkbox here, which is right above the checkout button. And in order to continue, users need to accept the terms and conditions. So you can see that unless I check the box, I won't get to the checkout. Now, if it's checked, I can continue to checkout. Setting it up is really easy. So I'm now inside Kendirect slide cart section, and there is a block called terms and conditions. You can define your custom text. You can define the link. You can also select whether the link is opened in a new tab or the same window. I recommend the new tab. And you can also define whether the consent is required, which means that unless it's checked, the customer won't get to the checkout. And you can also define your own error message. So now I will, for example, uncheck the required consent, which means the text will be visible, but the consent is actually not required. I will uncheck the box, and you can see I still can get to the checkout. You can also make it opt out like this by continuing to checkout. You agree with our terms and conditions. And now it kind of doesn't make sense to use the checkbox at all because I can still get to the checkout even if I don't agree. So let's hide it. So I will apply a custom CSS. Okay, now the checkbox is hidden, but I can still use the sentence and I can get to the checkout. So that was it. I hope this was useful. And if you'd like to stay on top of Shopify, please subscribe to our channel.